Will my personal injury case go to trial in Virginia? If you're dealing with a personal injury in Virginia, one of the biggest questions on your mind is likely whether you'll need to go to court. The thought of a trial can feel overwhelming, especially when you're already coping with pain, recovery, and stress. Knowing what to expect and how the legal process works can make a major difference in how you move forward. In Virginia, most personal injury cases never reach the courtroom. Settlements are often achieved through negotiation with insurance companies or opposing parties. But if there are disputes over fault, damages, or complex legal issues, a trial might be necessary. Your attorney can help guide that decision, but it ultimately depends on several important factors. Trials generally happen when both sides cannot agree on liability or compensation. If evidence is in dispute or if the legal issues are particularly complicated, settlement may not be possible. A law firm with experience in both negotiation and litigation is key. At Jennifer Porter Law, PLLC, the goal is always to resolve your case in a way that best supports your needs, whether that means a strategic settlement or taking the matter before a judge or jury. So, will your personal injury case go to trial in Virginia? Most don't. But there are certain factors that increase the chances. If the case involves disputed facts, multiple parties, or serious injuries, trial becomes more likely. If the other party is unwilling to settle or offers an unfair amount, your lawyer may recommend taking the case to court. And in Virginia, the strength of your evidence plays a huge role. Even 1% fault on your part under Virginia's contributory negligence law can prevent you from recovering damages. That's why your attorney will thoroughly review all evidence before determining the best path forward. Personal injury cases in Virginia start with a deep investigation. Your law firm will collect documents, interview witnesses, and assess the situation from every angle. This groundwork not only builds your case but strengthens your negotiating position. Many times, the mere presence of strong evidence convinces insurance companies to offer a fair settlement. But if that doesn't happen, a trial may follow. Personal injury trials in Virginia usually last between 2 to 5 days, though preparation can take months. The court schedules, the number of witnesses, and the specifics of your case all affect how long it will take. An attorney familiar with Virginia courts can help manage these timelines and expectations, while also preparing you for what to expect if your case does reach a courtroom. There are advantages and disadvantages to both trials and settlements. Settlements are quicker, less costly, and private. They provide certainty and avoid the emotional toll of a courtroom battle. But they might result in lower compensation and no public admission of fault by the defendant. Trials, on the other hand, could yield greater compensation and deliver a formal verdict, but they're riskier, more expensive, and can take a toll emotionally and financially. That's why many people benefit from working with a law firm that carefully evaluates all options. Your lawyer will consider the strength of your evidence, how willing the other side is to settle, and how long you're willing to wait for resolution. Every case is unique, and your attorney's job is to help you make a decision that's right for your goals and peace of mind. Avoiding trial can have significant benefits. It usually means less time, lower stress, and faster compensation. A good lawyer will always explore every available path to resolution and fight to protect your interests at every step. Whether your case settles out of court or proceeds to trial, the most important thing is that you're backed by strong legal support. For guidance tailored to your personal injury case, contact Jennifer Porter Law, PLLC. Call 571-532-9070 or visit the office at 8001 Braddock Road No. 102, Springfield, Virginia, 22151, United States.